In this session, you'll learn how to use templates in Outlook. So when you set up your Outlook message, you're going to put in your address, your details, and you might find that over time, there's probably some messages that you repeat on a regular basis. You have com add-ins, which is when you click this button, you've got this section here which says get add-ins. When you go there, it'll come up with a spot that you can search, and you write in, say for example, templates, and it will give you a short list. Now in Relevate, we have this admin managed add-ins, and that is my templates. So getting back over here, we have this little icon down here, my templates. You click on that, you can pre-write anything you want to put in that message. So for example here, I'm going to use the book a meeting, and it says, let's schedule a time that works for both of us. Grab some time from my calendar link, pulls from my availability, here is the link. So I can write above and below and customize the message relative to them without spending too much time on it, particularly if it's something that I use. So try and think about ways that you can create text snippets and templates and things that you can use that you would use as part of a broader message, or that you use as a whole message all of the time. Thank you very much.